There are many different types of nuts in the world, and although I like them all, there is one that takes the prize for me, and that's the chestnut. If you've never tried them, you are undoubtedly missing out. These nuts are not only delicious and highly nutritious, but they are so versatile. You can eat them roasted, absolutely scrumptious, boiled, they melt in your mouth, and even raw, crunchy and delicious.
So I'm off to the chestnut farm. So we're gonna go and see how these beautiful, delicious nuts grow, and I'm gonna bring you with me.
If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.
I'm here at a chestnut farm, and if you've never seen a chestnut tree or how chestnuts grow, I'm going to show you. So this is a chestnut tree, and a tree this big probably takes many years to grow, probably 10, 20. And it just looks like a normal tree from far away. But then when you get closer, let's look at these chestnuts. Look at that.
Chestnuts have a husk that is covered with very sharp, stiff bristles.
They're very prickly, and the chestnuts are right inside, and then they fall from the tree right onto the ground.
So eventually the husk splits to reveal anywhere from 1 to 5 chestnuts. Growing up around chestnut farms in my childhood in Portugal, picking chestnuts was no easy task. I think I might have forgotten how to pick them.
Woo!
I think I'll just use my foot. Yeah, that's better. By using my foot to open up the burr, the chestnuts fall off and they're safe to pick.
And they're beautiful raw too. So don't be scared to eat them raw. They're very healthy for you.
Did you know that chestnuts are one of the healthiest nuts you can eat? They are super high in fiber, gluten-free, and loaded with many other health benefits. And the best part is that they are far lower in calories than any other nut. So although they are only available once a year and for a very short time, you can freeze them and enjoy them all winter. Although chestnuts are most commonly enjoyed roasted, one of my favorite ways to eat them is boiled. I have fond memories of eating boiled chestnuts cooked in clay pots by the fire. You can only imagine the taste of those chestnuts. Well, no chestnuts in clay pots here, but I'm grateful to have a chestnut farm only a few hours away from home. And now it's time to stock up.
Love this. I'm obsessed with chestnuts.
You're in the right place, sir.
Yeah.
Well, I got myself 50 kilos of chestnuts, and trust me, that won't be much after sharing them with family and friends. But I'll be sure to keep enough to freeze so I can enjoy them throughout the winter. So the next time you visit your local grocery store, look for these brown and somewhat round nuts. And tune in to my YouTube channel, At Home with Sedalia, and I will show you the perfect way and the best way to roast, boil, and freeze your chestnuts. Well, I hope you enjoyed and even learned something from this video. And if you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.